Before the video starts, I'm gonna show a clip from earlier today when I was trading. Here it is. I want to show this, but it is 12:38 p.m. I had to so I placed my order here, right? I had to get some stuff done, so I had to leave the house. For some reason, it didn't let me place a take profit if I set a stop, so I just set my stop. I came home. Boom, first take profit hit while I was gone. Second take profit hit while I was gone. Came back, I just sold right here above my first take profit. So my second take profit did hit earlier, but didn't get to, hopefully hits again so I can sell it. But we're up currently 173 with 200 left in the bank, so hopefully that hits, but I'll do a whole daily recap later. Okay, today is day 10 of day trading. And today was kind of my first, first kind of bigger step forward. I made $545.07 today. I took a little more shares than yesterday, 50% more shares. I took 150 instead of 100. But I still risked, I had a 209, but a $2 stop loss. I still risked, no more than 3% of my account. I'm pretty sure, probably less, so pretty sure less, but, let's just get into the trade. Again, took one good trade. We're starting to, eventually when I get back to live, I just gotta stay disciplined. But here's the trade. So, so basically my thought was, okay, so we were kind of in a downtrend, right? My thought was, okay, I'm waiting for the retracement because I've been noticing a pattern in the last couple weeks where we go down or we go up and then we go down. So I was waiting for the retracement, right? Also, again, even as well on the daily, I had more kind of confirmation because we're kind of in that down, up. So I'm kind of thinking, it's time to go up, which tomorrow, I have a feeling we'll be green tomorrow. I have a big feeling, especially after this doji candle, I have a feeling we'll be green tomorrow. So I'll use that as more confluence for, probably taking a long tomorrow, but if I take anything, it'll probably be long, but we'll see. And so, yeah, here's the trade. So, what I saw, okay, so here's what happened. So, we had a sweep, and then I ended up getting home around this time, but we did have, we never actually, we had, I guess, a little breakage structure, yeah, right there. But there was no fair value gap. So, well, if we look on the 1 minute, which is where I usually find it, there's a fair value gap here. So I would probably, if anything, enter. There's never a breakage structure anyway. So I don't think I would ever enter off of this. Maybe I would enter here. But regardless, I ended up finding this fair value gap on the 1 minute after the 5 minute breakage structure. We retrace into it, and then we get another breakage structure, which is where I entered. This is a really nice trade. I had my first take profit at this high here. That got hit. And then second take profit. So then I moved stop loss to break even. Second take profit hit up here. Boom. That gave me $4. And then, so then what ended up happening was I had to leave. So I just ended up, and it was almost over. It was around when was it that I sold? Okay, so I sold it around 2:30. And then, yes, my last take profit would have hit. Well, not the last one, which was up here, but next one would have hit. But you know what? This was like, I feel like a fair exit early because, you know, obviously I'm not just gonna leave my computer on because I would have got stopped out actually if I had done that. So good thing and wow, that was a huge move down. I mean, wow. But yeah, so I ended up exiting, but anyway, I would have made a little more, but I ended up the day over $500, and I'm just, you know, not keeping any emotions in that. It's just, it is what it is. We're learning the skill right now, and I need to learn that before I go back to my live account, to master the skill first, master the discipline, and, you know, I'm not gonna be mad if I lose unless it's because of my discipline. If it's because of my strategy, you know, that's something I can learn from and get better. But hopefully, we're disciplined tomorrow. And, you know, again, I'm gonna take a trade if the market gives me a reason to. I'm not gonna force any trades. See you tomorrow. Also, one more thing, you'll see when I took the trade, when I said, because I forgot about this, I had, if you notice, I sell it here instead of when it first hit my take profit. That's because I wasn't home, and I was like, I got on the camera, I was like, oh, you know, I would have sold it, whatever. I got scared. Yes, it ended up hitting, and then fortunately, but you know, that technically would be my fault anyway. But that shouldn't happen again. Now I'll be able to, I figured out the system, so I'll be able to set my take profits and stops all together. I just could, for only some reason, if I had to stop, it wouldn't let me set take profit, but that's just what happened. But I ended up hitting, you know, getting back there anyway, so, and more, so. But yeah, I figured it out, so that shouldn't happen again.